I chose an apprenticeship because I've always been interested in finding out how things work, so taking them apart, putting them back together, and just understanding the core theory behind it. But ultimately, I didn't want to go to university because you're not guaranteed a job role at the end of it, but you are guaranteed debt, whereas opposed with our scheme, you're guaranteed a job role and you've got no debt to your name, but you've got a career for life. I chose Ibstock because I've always wanted to get into engineering, and one of the jobs I used to work on was on the same industrial estate as Ibstock, so constantly driving past it, my curiosity growing from there, and upon looking into it I thought this is really what I want to get into. I've really enjoyed all the practical skills that we're learning on site, all the different machines that I've constantly seen in work areas I've worked before but not been able to use or learn, being able to do that, the hands-on experience, meeting people from all around the country and forming a tight-knit bond like a family with the group pretty much. Yeah, I would definitely recommend the programme, as you've got a career for life, you're learning a trade which is like a golden ticket, you can take it anywhere, but ultimately the company treats you like a family. Everyone gets along and supports each other. If you need guidance or any support, it's there for you. The developments and plans are really good.